Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members, fellow students, and honored guests, it is my privilege to stand before you today to welcome you to our school's much-anticipated cultural function. This event is a celebration of diversity, creativity, and the rich tapestry of talents that our school community possesses. It is a moment for us to come together, share our unique cultural perspectives, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The essence of cultural functions lies in their ability to bring people together, regardless of their backgrounds or beliefs. They serve as a reminder that despite our differences, we share a common humanity. Our school, as a melting pot of cultures, is a testament to this unity in diversity. Today, we proudly showcase the wealth of traditions, arts, and customs that have been passed down through generations. Throughout the evening, you will witness a vibrant display of music, dance, drama, and art that reflects the diverse talents and passions of our students. Each performance, each painting, and each note played or sung is a testament to the countless hours of practice and dedication that our students have put in to perfect their craft. This cultural function is not just an opportunity for our students to shine, but also a chance for us all to learn, appreciate, and respect the beauty of different cultures. In today's globalized world, it is essential that we embrace and celebrate our differences, understanding that it is these differences that make the world a more colorful and interesting place. As we enjoy the festivities, let us also remember the values that bind us as a community. Let kindness, respect, and tolerance guide our interactions and enrich our understanding of one another. Together, we can ensure that our school remains a place where students of all backgrounds can thrive and grow. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the teachers, students, and parents who have worked tirelessly to make this cultural function a reality. Your dedication and commitment have made this event possible, and we are all grateful for your unwavering support. In closing, I hope that this evening leaves an indelible mark on your hearts, fostering a spirit of unity, celebration, and understanding. Let us come together in the true spirit of our school's motto, Unity in Diversity, and enjoy the wonderful cultural performances that await us. Thank you, and let the festivities begin.